place is very familiar.
Who are you? What have you done?
You ask as if I were a ruffian, a wanderer with no place in this palace. Know that I am a son to King Shahraman, and brother of Prince Malik, who rules here in our father's name. I did not come here seeking a mythical army. I was sent to study alongside my brother, that someday I might be as great a leader as he is. This territory was once the heart of King Solomon's mighty empire. According to legend, it holds a secret we are sworn to protect. Perhaps that secret is the reason the fortress is much sought after by neighboring kingdoms. Malik was sent here so the army would have a strong commander, to discourage attacks. But even Malik's famed strength could not discourage everyone. This is not the glad welcome I was expecting. I have to find Malik. He'll be planning a way out of this. Best idea. Such a lovely view. Starting to feel that the odds in this battle are not in our favor. Looks like the only way out is to climb up. At least no one's shooting at me in here. Yet, anyway. Where to now? Where to now? This reminds me of Azad. This also reminds me of Azad. This is looking worse and worse.
To the gate! Follow the prince! Make way for the prince!
Malik! He must not hear me with the battle going on.